Ultimate no-carb, no-sugar foods for a healthy lifestyle. If your goal is to improve your overall health or shed some extra pounds, paying attention to your carbohydrate consumption is essential. This involves avoiding fast food and snacks that are high in processed carbohydrates and added sugars. While these treats might be delicious, they pose significant health risks, including promoting inflammation, contributing to weight gain, and increasing the risk of diabetes, obesity, and neurological issues. To steer clear of these adverse effects and enhance your well-being, it's advisable to replace these unhealthy choices with more nutritious alternatives. In our latest video, we'll explore a variety of superfoods low in carbs and sugars. These health-boosting options can stabilize your blood sugar, energize you naturally, and even contribute to reduced blood pressure levels. Are you ready to embrace a healthier lifestyle? Continue watching to discover more. First on the list, egg. Eggs are an incredible source of essential nutrients, making them a must-have in any diet. A single large egg boasts a minimal carbohydrate content of approximately 0.5 grams and provides 6 grams of high-quality protein. Protein plays a crucial role in the body's ability to repair tissue, produce vital enzymes and hormones, and contributes to feelings of fullness, aiding in weight management. Additionally, eggs are rich in vital vitamins such as A, D, E, and K. Vitamin A supports eye health, immune function, and cellular development. Vitamin D is key for calcium absorption and maintaining bone health. Vitamin K is important for bone metabolism and blood coagulation, and vitamin E acts as a powerful antioxidant, helping to shield cells from oxidative harm. Eggs are also a source of important minerals like iron, which is necessary for oxygen transport in the body, zinc, which plays a role in immune response and healing, and selenium, an antioxidant critical for cognitive function, nervous system health, and liver function. Moreover, eggs contain lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that are beneficial for eye health, offering protection against visual damage. Therefore, when you enjoy an egg, it's not just a delightful component of your meal, it's a densely packed source of nutrients that bolster your health and support your weight management endeavors. Second on the list, cruciferous veggie. Vegetables like broccoli, kale, cabbage, Brussels sprouts, and spinach are nutrient-dense powerhouses with minimal carbohydrates. Essential for those on a low-carb regimen, these vegetables are free from the starches found in foods like potatoes. Rich in fiber and protein, they also boast a variety of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, folic acid, vitamin A, iron, calcium, copper, selenium, and zinc, all of which are crucial for maintaining optimal health. These plants are beneficial in reducing the risk of certain types of colon cancer, thanks to compounds such as sulforaphane. Sulforaphane is known for its cell-protective properties against oxidative damage and its ability to detoxify the body. Additionally, it has been linked to enhanced brain function and a lower risk of heart disease. Easily adaptable, these vegetables can be used in a wide range of recipes, from fresh salads and savory stir-fries to nutritious smoothies and hearty soups. For those aiming to increase their intake of greens while managing carbohydrate consumption, cruciferous vegetables offer a perfect solution. Third on our list, shirataki noodles. Ever encountered shirataki noodles? These miraculous strands are your ally for indulging in delicious noodle-based meals without derailing your nutritional goals. Originating from a high-viscosity fiber known as glucomannan, shirataki noodles boast a plethora of health advantages, such as aiding in the reduction of blood glucose levels, cholesterol, triglycerides, and blood pressure, all while facilitating weight management. Their potential health benefits extend to anti-diabetic, anti-obesity properties, acting as a laxative, prebiotic, and offering anti-inflammatory benefits, possibly aiding in metabolic regulation and the prevention of chronic health conditions. Shirataki noodles have gained popularity across Asian and European countries, recognized for their health superiority over conventional store-bought noodles. With less than 1 gram of net carbs and merely 15 calories per portion, shirataki noodles are available in various forms, making it easy to substitute them in all your beloved noodle recipes. Available at numerous health food outlets or online, these noodles are typically sold in water and require rinsing and draining prior to use. Their unique chewy texture can be easily enhanced with your choice of sauces and spices. Why not experiment with shirataki noodles and explore a delicious path to wellness? Number 4. Chocolate. The flavonols found in cocoa and dark chocolate are known for their health benefits, including their ability to lower blood pressure, decrease heart disease risk, and enhance insulin sensitivity. Thanks to the antioxidant power of flavonols, they can mitigate oxidative stress, contributing significantly to your well-being, which earns cocoa the nickname of a superfruit by some. However, it's important to be cautious as many chocolate products are high in carbohydrates and can hinder your health objectives. For those craving chocolate without compromising a low-carb lifestyle, dark chocolate with a high percentage of cocoa is the way to go. A 1-ounce portion of dark chocolate, which contains 70% cocoa, offers 13 grams of carbs and comes with the added benefits of 4 grams of fiber, 12 grams of fat, and roughly 3 grams of protein. It's crucial to scrutinize product labels and select options sweetened with low-calorie alternatives to keep your indulgence in line with your dietary goals. While chocolate's allure is undeniable, it's essential to remember that it remains a luxury item to be savored in moderation. Number 5. Nuts and seeds. Choosing the right types of nuts and seeds is crucial for a health-conscious diet. Low-carb options such as almonds, macadamia nuts, pecans, and walnuts not only offer a rich source of healthy fats and fiber, which contribute to a feeling of fullness, but also provide essential nutrients like vitamin E, magnesium, and zinc. Similarly, seeds such as chia and flax seeds are beneficial for those on a low-carb diet, with chia seeds being particularly rich in fiber and vital minerals like calcium and phosphorus, which support bone health, and flax seeds containing lignans known for their anti-inflammatory properties. While oils derived from nuts and seeds are a concentrated source of healthy fats, they tend to be high in omega-6 fatty acids, which can be pro-inflammatory in excess. Therefore, opting for whole or freshly ground nuts and seeds over their oil counterparts is advisable. Diversifying your consumption of nuts and seeds can ensure a broad intake of their nutritional benefits. However, it's important to keep an eye on serving sizes since nuts and seeds, despite their health benefits, are calorie-dense and may contribute to unintentional excess calorie intake if portions are not controlled. Moving on to coconut oil, a standout in the realm of saturated fats. Despite the negative perception of saturated fats over the years, coconut oil has emerged as a beneficial exception. Boasting no carbohydrates, coconut oil has been linked through various studies to reductions in abdominal fat, enhancements in blood lipid profiles, and support in weight and belly fat loss. But what makes coconut oil so effective? A key factor is its rich content of medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs. These specific fats are directly taken up by the liver and transformed into ketones, aiding in reducing caloric intake and boosting energy expenditure. Further research indicates that MCTs may also enhance life quality and cognitive functions for individuals dealing with neurological conditions, such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's diseases. Incorporating coconut oil or MCT oil into your diet could provide a delicious and healthful enhancement to your nutritional regimen, offering more than just flavor but also a host of metabolic benefits. 7th on the list, seafood. Seafood, encompassing both fish and shellfish, is not only delectable but also offers numerous health benefits, with most fish types being exceptionally low in carbohydrates. These aquatic delights are rich in essential nutrients, including B vitamins, potassium, and selenium. While shellfish like shrimp and crabs boast minimal carb content, it's important to note that varieties such as oysters and octopus might carry higher carb levels. However, the virtues of consuming fish and shellfish extend well beyond their carbohydrate profile. Oily fish, including salmon, sardines, and mackerel, are abundant in omega-3 fatty acids, known for their ability to reduce insulin levels and enhance insulin sensitivity, particularly in individuals who are overweight or have obesity. Moreover, consistent fish consumption has been linked to improved brain function and a lowered risk of various health conditions. Embrace the inclusion of more seafood in your dietary routine, adhering to the American Heart Association's suggestion of 2 to 3 servings per week to attain optimal health benefits. However, it's wise to moderate your intake of meat and seafood in any single meal to prevent potential reductions in ketone levels. Number 8, meat and poultry. Meat and poultry secure their spot among the top low-carb food choices. These staples of many diets are renowned for their protein content, offering an impressive array of nutrients without a trace of carbohydrates. They are bountiful sources of B vitamins and potassium, alongside high-quality protein that is crucial for maintaining muscle mass when cutting carbs. Additionally, meat and poultry provide exclusive nutrients such as vitamin B12, iron, creatine, taurine, carnitine, and DHA, each contributing to a spectrum of health advantages. For those concerned about cholesterol, research indicates that diets high in fatty meats might actually increase beneficial HDL cholesterol levels, especially in comparison to low-fat, high-carb diets. To maximize health benefits, opting for grass-fed and pasture-raised meat and poultry is advisable. These options tend to be higher in omega-3 fatty acids and conjugated linoleic acid than their grain-fed counterparts, offering a more favorable omega-3 to omega-6 fat ratio and a higher concentration of antioxidants. Feel free to savor that delicious steak or succulent roasted chicken, but remember, moderation is key to maintaining optimal ketone levels, mirroring the advice given for seafood. Finally, let's not overlook the benefits of avocados in your diet. Avocados are a source of healthy fats, fiber, potassium, and B vitamins. Studies have indicated that regular intake of avocados contributes to lowering LDL cholesterol levels and enhancing heart health. Specifically, one study highlighted that increased avocado consumption was associated with a 22% reduction in harmful LDL cholesterol and triglycerides, alongside an 11% rise in beneficial HDL cholesterol. A medium avocado contains about 9 grams of carbohydrates, but there's no need for concern. 7 of those grams are fiber, leaving only 2 grams of net carbs per half avocado. So, you can indulge in its creamy texture without any guilt. For those who might not be keen on avocados, avocado oil is a fantastic alternative for cooking or baking. Rich in monounsaturated fats and capable of withstanding high temperatures, avocado oil also contributes to healthier cholesterol levels. So, during your low-carb journey, remember the remarkable benefits of avocados. These nutrient-dense fruits can significantly benefit your health and add a rich, creamy flavor to your meals. And if you're aiming to boost your health further through diet, prioritize protein. Focusing on protein can assist you in achieving your wellness objectives. Stay tuned for more useful health information. Don't forget to like and subscribe to update the latest videos. Thanks for watching.